Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development will make even a stronger contribution to the transformation of Jamaica. We want to erase the experience of people walking for miles to get water. That is why the drive to increase minor water supply is being accelerated this year with the completion of water shops in Commodore in Portland and Myersville in St. Elizabeth. That is why we are building more water shops in Manchester, Mile Gully, Porus, Somerset, and Johns Hall. This year we will complete a wide range of water supply projects at Water Mountain, Pear Tree Grove in St. Catherine, Cornwall Barracks, Bangor Ridge Phase 2, and Stony Hill in Portland. We go to St. Mary, we go to St. Elizabeth, we go to Mango Valley in St. Mary. Madam Speaker, all of this at a cost of $215 million under the Rural Development Upgrade Program. The government is listening to the call for better parochial roads. The answer from the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development is to provide funds to carry out the repairs. Many residents in Jamaica want to be properly connected to the electric grid, but cannot afford the cost of house wiring in some areas. Infrastructure such as streetlight pole is insufficient. That is why this year, through the Rural Electrification Program, we'll be spending over $300 million to erect 10 kilometers of additional pole lines and connect 2,000 households across 10 communities to get electricity, Madam Speaker. We will be building at least 11 new concrete indigent housing in St. Mary, Hanover, and Westmoreland this year. Additionally, the joint initiative with the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, an unprecedented 120 social housing unit will be built in various parts of Jamaica this year, Madam Speaker, by the Prosperity Government. Under the Paint the City initiative, you want to go to Brownstown in St. Ann, you want to go into Lucy, you want to go into Hopewell, into downtown. Under this program, we are looking to improve our urban space. We have partnered with Jerry and Nevy, and Mayor Williams is there. You go to Crab Circle at Heroes Park, looks spanking nice and pretty. We are partnering to improve public spaces across the country. We're going to Brownstown, we're going to St. Ann, we're going to Lucy. We are spending funds, Madam Speaker, right across to transform spaces in Jamaica to give it a facelift. Over some $298 million will be spent on this program.